Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider link in description.
Oh, the ramen waiter's reign brings us joy and little pain, fighting over.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we got a little bit of both. This is cup noodle stir-fried rice with noodles, Korean beef. It's noodles, like little bits of noodles, and instant rice. So there you go. Yeah, it is Monday. Let's see. Fill line, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's stand for 2.5 minutes. Whoa. Okay, fill the line and stir. Where's that line? I don't see the line. Uh-oh. There it is. Right there. Okay. 2 line. Und sen stir. Ja, we stir the noodle. I'm in 4.5 minutes. Yeah, that 1,000 watts. All right, here we go. All right, 4.5 minutes. We're cooking. And then when that's done, it's 2.5 more minutes of just sitting and waiting. But we'll see how it goes. Once that makes the pretty music, then we go with this. Okay. Yeah, now I'm beat. It's been quite a morning, you know, but it'll get better. That's how it goes. Yeah, kind of rough. I mean, like, I found out this morning that my really good friend from England died on Sunday. And then I found out on Friday night that my buddy growing up, his dad died. And he was the nicest guy, Mr. Springs. He was a teacher. He taught soccer. But yeah, I never saw that guy without a smile on his face, man. He was a really nice guy. So yeah. They slip away. I guess he went pretty quick. My sister, it's funny because my sister ended up becoming friends with the Springs and is a good friend with my buddy's mom, and they hang out and stuff and go do stuff, help each other out. It's nice. It's a good thing. Especially since I can't be up there all the time because I got everything going on down here with the kids, and we live down here, and I don't drive. So, yeah. I don't know. It's like my wife came out and she's like, "How you doing?" And she's like, I'm like, She's like, "Kind of like your days." I'm like, "Yeah, totally." And it's like, whoa. What else is going on? I spent a lot of time on. We pretty much stayed in this weekend. On Saturday, I worked on that new computer over there. I got Windows 11 running on it. I got the Wi-Fi working. Couldn't get the audio driver to work for the speakers that are built in. But I found that since the Bluetooth works, I can have it go to the speaker that's outside of it. So if something happens to the main computer, I can use that one. And I went and I got about 99% of the stuff that I have on my regular computer going on there. So that's pretty good. And then it's got Windows on it, but it's a Mac, right? So you power it on and you hold down the Alt key, and then it'll come up. Do you want to boot into Mac OS or do you want to boot into Windows? It works really well. I didn't expect it to work so well, but it does. And yeah, the only thing is that audio driver now. But I can live with that. It'd be nice if all of a sudden it was just like, oh, here's the fix for that, and boop. But it's crazy too, because the resolution goes up to like 5700 by like 3000 or something ridiculous. And if you put it in that, everything runs like a slug. But if you don't, then it runs pretty good. So if you put it like 1920 by 1080, it runs quite well. But if you have it in that res and you try to play a YouTube video, it is so jerky. It's weird. But yeah, a backup. And honestly, I think I'm probably going to just let the kids mess with it, which is cool. They would like that. Okay, now we got to do our 2 minutes and 30 seconds of it sitting. Sit. Stay. Yeah, I'm just bummed, man. It's just like Crummy being all morbed out, but, you know, like I said, just kind of going through the paces today. Like, yeah. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing the post that I'm going to do. I'm going to use the chili crisp that he turned me on to, the special spoon that he sent. His favorite was my Kuali Penang white curry. So I'm going to get fishball. I'm going to get mint. I'm going to do it up. Super, super nice. I think I might actually get some fried onion to add with it too. I wish I could get some cockles and duck blood and stuff and do it up, but I don't think anybody's selling that around here. You never know. It might be at that new TNT market, but I tend to doubt it. But yeah, white curry. White curry. I really like white curry. We shall see what happens. But yeah. Yep. So yeah, this one's kind of like, I'll be honest, this one is going to be kind of like rice-a-roni, because it's got a rice and it's got a, oh, that's that lens, okay. It's got a rice component and it's got a, what do you call it? Little bits of noodles in there. And I've seen that before from India. There's a Nissin India, I think it's called Mug or something like that. And it's just like a pouch with smashed noodle bits and some masala, garam masala. And then you just put it in a mug, add some hot water, give it a few minutes, stir it up, and you're done. So that's what this is kind of like. Although the other one that I'm referring to doesn't come with rice. But, yeah. And we have this. And I've had these, I don't think I've had this one. I know at least the label has changed on this one. So if I have had it before, it's due for when the Emperor gets new clothes, I like to do a new review. How did I end up with an extra fork? I don't know. I'm a little scattered today. I've got fork things going on, I guess. So it's a Korean spicy beef. Here it is. Kind of like fried rice, but a little more moist, I think. Anyways, cheers. That's a little sweet. It's good. I mean, if you want like a little bit spicy instant fried rice kind of thing, this is great. I will admit, I like this a lot. They've been coming out with some pretty special stuff out of the Nissin US. They came out with the weird cups, like the Cup Noodles Pumpkin Spice, Cup Noodles Everything Bagel, Cup Noodles Breakfast, Cup Noodles S'mores. I'm hoping they'll come out with another one, because I have a lot of fun with those. I like to do like as deep of a dive with them as I can. They've got this new one though, this new Cup Noodles Bistro, and I really want to try it. I keep forgetting to email them and say, hey, send me some. Which I'm sure they will. I just got to get off my butt and get them to send me some. Alright, I want another bite of that. It's got a lot of veg in it too. And it's good. That's good. I'm gonna go with the rest of the... Oh, what should I do first? I guess I should do the scallion first. Which I prefer scallion. Some Chinese sausage. And again, I'm going to be using this a lot, as it was my buddy Jamie's favorite. This is Lee Kum Ki Chu Chow Chili Crisp in oil. But it's good stuff. It really, it packs a punch. And a little bit of sesame seed. I need to get all sorts of stuff. Anybody got a spare pork belly they can send? I definitely need that. There you go, Rotato. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a fancy discount. This is Sapporo, or Myojo, apologies, Myojo Ibicha Night Shop Sauce Yakisoba. This is a favorite of mine. It comes with the mayo. It's wonderful stuff. I highly, 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 highly recommend it. And I will do it up while So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.